When I was 23 years old, I was the direct cause of a construction accident that killed my best friend. I did not handle it very well, and I used drugs and alcohol to cope, and that stayed with me for the rest of my life. And at the very end, 3.5 years ago, I was essentially homeless. I ended up in the recovery center for 14 months, and just everything kept leading me towards going back to school. There was no way I wasn't coming. Hell or high water, I was gonna find a way. What the scholarships did for me was more than that though. I have 2 daughters, 14 and 16 years old. This gives me the opportunity to be the dad that they need me to be. I really struggled with feelings of worthlessness. I want to be able to use my lived experience in order to help others so they don't have to spend 20 years in debauchery like I did. If I can use some of my learning to have a positive effect and try to help some of these guys, that's the biggest thing. I'm still in shock, like even today, the fact that somebody was willing to invest in me. I'm really incredibly lucky.